How does job analysis analyze and examine the job? Here are the common methods. Method of job analysis. 1. Performing the job. To get information on a certain job, a job analyst does the work himself. Performing the job. Hindi lang dapat tignan ang mga employee, kailangan rin natin ma-experience na magtrabaho in actual para mas matutunan rin natin at para mas marami tayong makuhang kaalaman sa trabaho na ito. Number 2. Observing employee in a job. In this method, a job analyst or a trained observer observes what the worker is actually doing. Oftentimes, observer has form that contains all the job activities. He would seek from his checklist the information he is viewing in actuality. Observing employees in a job. Kailangan magaling tayo magmasid dahil papanoorin natin ang mga empleyado habang nagtatrabaho sila. Maaari rin tayong makakuha ng mga kaalaman dito dahil nakikita natin kung paano nila ginagawa kung ano man ang trabaho na naka-assign sa kanila. 3. Interviewing a supervisor and or expert on a job. A popular way to collect information about a job is to interview a supervisor or expert who is familiar with the task. A job analyst or a trained interviewer conducts the interview to generate lists of all tasks and activities done by everyone in the same job position. Interview a supervisor or expert on a job. Pag sinabi nating supervisor or expert, mataas na yung katungkulan nila sa isang company or sa trabaho ang ating papasukan. Kaya kung i-interviewin tayo about sa trabaho natin, sila yung pwede nang makatulong sa atin dahil kabisado nila ang mga gagawin at pwede pa nila tayong bigyan ng tips para mas madali nating matutunan ang trabaho. 4. Administering questionnaire. A questionnaire may contain many questions about a certain job and can be administered to many employees with the same job title. This is considered to be one of the most efficient way to collect job information. Administering questionnaire. Ang method na to ang pinakamagandang way para makakuha tayo ng impormasyon dahil pwede tayong magtanong o magbigay ng mga katanungan sa mga empleyado na kanilang sasagutan tungkol sa kanilang mga trabaho.